Express trick for cleaning the drain. It will thoroughly clean the pipes in 5 seconds. Remove the plug from the drain. Pour in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. When the ingredients start foaming, press them with a towel. The foaming will fill the pipes. It will flush out the lime scale and dirt from them. Foam should start coming out of the hole located under the faucet. It will be covered in sludge and rust. This is the fastest and most thorough way to clean the drain. Baking soda and vinegar have descaling and cleaning properties.
Put the sink stopper into a lime. Cut off the tip, then place the lime like this into the drain. Turn on the water. After a moment, foam will appear from the overflow hole. That means the sink has been cleaned from the inside. The acid in the lime dissolves grease, lime scale, and buildup in the pipes, while its natural oils disinfect and freshen the sink. A classic grandma's trick that always works. This way, I saved a lot. Use a marker to mark the spot that sticks out above the edge. Heat a fork and use it to make small holes in the bottle. Then cut the bottle at the marked place. Now prepare a screw, heat it as well, and make a hole in the center of the plastic part. Twist the screw on with a nut. Place it in the sink and you're done. Don't spend more money on expensive strainers. Drop an egg into the sink. It's a cheap method that works better than store-bought cleaners. Everyday products can turn into something surprisingly powerful. Grab a medium-sized bowl and crack 1 egg into it. Use a spoon to separate the egg white from the yolk. For this trick, you'll only need the white. Once separated, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl. Dish soap contains surfactants that break down grease and lift away dirt. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and slightly foamy. Pour it directly into the sink. This unusual combination works thanks to the natural properties of egg white and the cleaning agents in the soap. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively dissolves grease and buildup. Next, pour in about half a cup of vinegar, which acts as a natural solvent. Finish with about 1 cup of hot water to activate the solution faster. Wait a few minutes, then watch the sink clean itself. This home trick not only gets rid of stubborn grime, but also repels pests and helps keep your kitchen fresh and clean. Place aluminum foil in the sink to solve an annoying kitchen problem. I have 2 simple methods for you that protect your pipes and make cleaning easier. First, tear off a large piece of foil and carefully cover the drain. Use the bottom of a glass to form a depression in the foil, then secure the edges with tape to keep it in place. Now you can safely pour used oil into this depression, preventing clogged drains and pipe damage. After use, remove the foil, roll it up, and throw it in the trash. The second method is just as easy. Tear off a piece of foil that fits the size of the drain and tape it to the sides of the sink. Use a glass to create a slight depression and poke a few holes with a toothpick. Now you can pour food scraps and drinks worry-free. The foil will catch larger pieces and protect the pipes from clogging. This is the perfect solution if you don't have a sink strainer and want to avoid costly plumbing repairs.